You have replaced your spark plugs and ignition coil, but your engine is still misfiring? You are not alone. This is a common issue that many drivers faced, and it can be both frustrating and perplexing. Let's delve into potential causes and solutions to help you get your engine running smooth again. And hit that subscribe button so more people can see useful videos. First, oil in the spark plug wells. Before anything else, pull your coils and check inside the spark plug holes. If you see oil in there, that's a problem. Usually a leaky valve cover gasket. Oil kills spark and misfires are guaranteed. To fix it, replace the gasket, clean out the wells and reinstall the plugs properly. Number 2. Wrong spark plug gap or bad plugs. Pre-gapped plugs doesn't mean perfect. Use a feeler gauge to check the gap. Too wide or too tight and you will get a weak spark. Also inspect for cracks or carbon traces. Bad plugs out of the box aren't rare. Solution: always double check gap and condition, even with new plugs. Number 3. Fuel injector issues. A clogged or a dead fuel injector means no fuel, equal misfire. And here is a simple test. Use a long screwdriver or stethoscope and press it against the injector. You should hear a clean clicking sound. No click or a weird rhythm, that injector's likely bad. Solution: clean or replace the faulty injector. Number 4. Swapping coils to pinpoint the cylinder. If the misfire is isolated to a specific cylinder, try swapping the ignition coil from that cylinder with one from another cylinder. If the misfire moves to a new cylinder, the coil is likely the culprit. If it stays, the issue might lie elsewhere. Number 5. Air intake problems, vacuum leaks, MMF sensors. Your engine needs the right air-fuel ratio. Vacuum leaks or faulty mass airflow sensor throw everything off. Spray carb cleaner around vacuum hoses or intake manifold. If RPMs jump, there is a leak. Also scan that MAF. If it's dirty or slow respond, clean it or replace it. Number 6. Low fuel pressure. Weak fuel pump or clogged filter. Your engine might not be getting enough fuel. Use a fuel pressure gauge, and if PSI is too low, your combustion suffers. Check pump, filter and pressure regulator. 7. Compression and timing problems. This one's serious. Low compression are bad rings, valves or head gasket. Even with spark and fuel, you will misfire. Do a compression test. If one cylinder reads low, you have found the issue. Also check that timing belt or chain hasn't skipped. A slipped tooth throws everything off. To summarize, spark plugs and coils fix 80% of misfires. But if that didn't help, now you know where to look. Was helpful? Don't miss out, subscribe for more.